Hello, and welcome to the Iowa Department of Transportation's public meeting to discuss 5 bridge replacement projects in Clinton County on Iowa Highway 136. In this map, you can see the 5 bridge locations. The project begins east of Lost Nation and ends west of US 61. The existing bridges were originally built in the 1950s. While they are currently in a safe and operable condition, they were designed for lighter weights than what we see on highways today. The bridges are also beyond their expected service life and require frequent, sometimes costly repairs. The purpose of this meeting is to inform you of the project and to receive your input on project impacts, timeline, and the proposed detour. New bridges will certainly need less frequent and less costly maintenance. Additionally, they will be designed to accommodate modern car and truck traffic. During this project, we will need to keep the detour requirements clearly marked so the traveling public can minimize their out-of-distance travel. We will need to construct all 5 bridges in a timely manner so we can minimize delays for local residents, and we will need to maintain owner access to all properties during construction. While these goals may be challenging, they are not new to the Iowa DOT or our contractors, and we're confident that we can achieve these goals. The detour route will use Iowa Highway 64 and US Highway 61 between Wyoming and Maquoketa. Access to local properties will be maintained during construction. Due to bridge removal, it is possible that property owners will have to access their property from only one direction. Right-of-way acquisition will begin later this year and into calendar year 2024. Construction is currently scheduled for 2025, but could extend into early 2026. Total project cost for all 5 bridges is estimated to be approximately $5.2 million. We will always welcome your comments and questions. However, the official comment period will end on June 26th. Please feel free to use the comment link below to submit your questions directly online. You may also use the contact information to reach out to a staff member. Thank you for your time and your attention.